The General Officer commanding 6th Division and Land Components Commander Joint Task Force South-South Operation Delta Safe, Major General Emekah, has identified limited modern military equipment as a major pitfall in the fight against crude oil thefts. He disclosed this at an interactive session with Defence Correspondents in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, after a tour of various areas of responsibility of Operation Delta Safe in oil-rich region of the state. General Emekah said if enhanced with critical modern warfare assets, high-tech as well as airboats to complement the existing gunboats to fight against oil theft and pipeline vandalism would be addressed.
We have something like airboats. That can go on something like on shallow water land. When the tide is down, we can use it to help. And then things like drone. Those are technologies that we need to adopt for us to be able to overcome these challenges. The terrain is a challenge to us. And I don't know to what extent they took you people. You went to the creek. By the time you hear the story of soldiers are here just 200 or 300 meters away from there were activities. If you are from this area or you understand the terrain, when the tides are low, let's assume you are sitting on this position and when there is water is at your front here, there is a manifold here. You can wait there and once the tide go down, it exposes you start using, and when the tide is down, between here and that place, you cannot access it. So it's a problem. And by the time they start coming, they will have finished what they are doing and then.
He said the division also supports its 82 Division counterpart in its operation against the IPOB terrorist group in the southeast from the Agbor axis of Delta State.
IPOB, like was rightly mentioned, because even if they do not have the intention of establishing foothold here, but because we are a neighboring formation or a neighboring area to where there's an operation for 82 Thieves to push them, there's a tendency for them to cross over to the place. So we collaborate with 82 Thieves whenever they are doing such operation to form a blocking force to stop them from coming in, particularly in the 63 Brigade as well as Delta State in Agbor. So we are on top of that, we do that.
The GOC 6th Division, however, assured of the Nigerian Army's commitment to ensure that criminal elements are fished out and brought to justice. CNA News.